Yeah, that's really pretty.
Hey guys, we're back. We're here for another fun-filled, action-packed video thing show. Hey, and guess what I found? I found a friend. We're gonna edit some of this too, so just feel free. I'll say, these guys have Lila here.
Hey.
She's here in front of Vandalay Hair Industries. You can't see the sign.
Right here.
Right, we're here on a Sunday fun day. We decided to get together. We've been wanting to hang out for a long time.
Long time.
We've known each other for 1,000 years.
Basically.
Yeah, kind of like that.
And counting.
Right, and more. And we've wanted to do a fun little hair adventure on her. So today, we're not going to do any bleach. We've decided no bleach, right?
No bleach.
No.
Bleach for me.
Why? Are you afraid of bleach?
I think I'm ready to steer away from the bleach, like a little bit more.
Let's steer away. So let's show.
Let's
Drive away. We're gonna steer away. You know, before we get into that, I gotta say I love brunettes. Brunettes are my kryptonite.
Yes.
So we're gonna do a brunette show. I've been wanting to get a brunette in this chair, and here we go. So let's talk about what's going on here. So go ahead and turn around. So she has a lot of highlights, or it was a balayage gone wild. It's grown out a little bit. It's gone bad, and so what she has is a lot of ashy tones. And what we see is, and so some people would consider this not bad at all. I think it has some beauty to it because she's beautiful, the hair is beautiful, but she wants a change, and she wants a seasonal change. And since it's October and we're going into the holiday times, we want to make a change to her hair, right?
Yes, I'd love to get a fall look. Yep.
Okay, so tell everybody, what are you expecting in this experience?
Perfection. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
No
pressure.
No pressure. I just would really like, more of a chocolatey, subtle, natural brunette, different shades of chocolate brunette.
Chocolate.
Yeah,
We like chocolate. Chocolatey.
Chocolatey.
Hungry. I'm hungry. We're hungry for a chocolatey look. So guys, today we're going to use all all oh, that's an edit. We're gonna use all J-Bev color today. I'm a J-Bev sponsored guy today. It's all J-Bev, and we do a lot of J-Bev here.
Yes.
So shout out to J Beverly Hills. Shout out to Lila for showing up early. We're hella tired, but we're gonna make this work. So guys, we're gonna head in the salon. Hang in there. Hopefully we can do this. I don't know. Brunettes make me nervous. They're my kryptonite. I get all shaky and shit. But we're gonna try to make this work today. Join us in the salon. We're gonna have fun today.
Let's do it.
Okay, that was good.